And welcome live to another edition of the Video Guys Newsday Tuesday live webinar. As you can see, Gary Batan is out for the week. He's on vacation. I'm Eddie. I'm going to be taking over for the foreseeable future, but I'm sure he'll be back next week and he'll get all of this stuff right. Our webinar subject today is on back to school specials. I know. Who's excited about that? Nobody. Nobody is. It's going to be more traffic. Kids are going to have to go back to school. So at least the kids are out of the house. But I don't know. Every time I hear back to school, I just hear end of summer. And the summer's the best part. But either way, we got some great specials for all the students going back to school. And let's get started. First, with live streaming products to help build your channel. This is what we do here at Video Guys, and we have a lot of great products, starting with the Epiphan Webcaster X2. Thank you, Tyler. This is our summer intern, Tyler. He's going to be helping us out. If you weren't watching in the pre-show, you would have known that already, so always stick around for the pre-show. But the Webcaster X2 is a dedicated video encoder that just streams to either Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch, and those are the three big ones. At $299.95 without a PC, this is the video encoder that will at least get you started in video streaming, but it also has been proven to be a top tier encoder for just those dedicated CDNs. Next, the Sling Studio Hub. No, the backpack, that's Roland. It's okay, he's an intern. Thank you, Tyler. To fit with the back to school theme, we decided to unveil this guy. Where is it? In the backpack itself. And the backpack is just one of the many accessories that come with. Oh, they packed it in really good for me. It just should have just been easy and just taken it out. Here is the Sling Studio Hub at $9.99. This live production system, if you need graphics, multi-cameras, multiple CDNs, this is the live production system for you. With the Sling Studio console, all you need is a tablet or a Mac laptop, and you can direct your own shows, bring in graphics, switch cameras. You have up to 10 sources with this, excuse me, and with the camera links that they come with at just $349 each, you can add external cameras and coverage of about 300 feet from the hub. So for your high school football games, for baseball games, pretty much any outdoor event, the Sling Studio is what you're going to want to use. Now you can give me the Roland switcher. To work with all your live production systems, you're going to need a video switcher. Now, like I said, the Sling Studio Hub has a console, but not every video encoder does. So if you're using just any other kind of live production system or encoder that needs a switcher, this is the one for you. This one is the V1 HD. You'll have 4 HDMI inputs, so that's as many cameras as you can bring in. We have the V1 SDI that is $14.95. That one is HDMI and SDI. I think you have 3 3G SDI video inputs, and so it all depends on what your workflow is. Let's make some room for the Roland guy. What is next, Tyler? Oh, you don't need to bring me any of that. Telestream ScreenFlow. This is something that actually comes in very handy if you need to record anything from your laptop or PC or Mac, whatever computer you're using. ScreenFlow allows you to record any video that you have out there. You can access to over 500,000 unique media clips directly within your ScreenFlow projects and record your iPhone and iPad screen for high quality app demos as well. The academic price is at $116, regular price $229. So right now, if you need this for school, this is the time to get it. And now, storage solutions. This is important for any type of media, whether you're doing video work or any sort of school project. You want to make sure that you have the right storage device for you. And first, my favorite thing we got going on right now, costume change. I like it. The DJI Copilot Boss Series LaCie hard drive. We actually took this out recently with our friend Nick. Yes, you could play the video. She wants a cue for it. And he has a DJI app, drone, And we were doing some test shots. We're going to be doing some more shooting with it, so you'll get that footage soon. And you just take the micro SD out, put it into the adapter that it comes with, and you could just slide the SD card right into the DJI Copilot, connect your phone, and with the Boss app, you're able to manage your media any way you like. You can delete files, playback video, name everything. It is a super handy device, and if you have a drone, it's great, but this has been proven to work with just about anything that takes media. So if you're just shooting and you have an external hard drive, the DJI Copilot is the Boss, what does that stand for? Broadcast On-Set Solution. A backup on-set solution. Thank you, Christine, for nodding. What do we have next? The G Drive mobile SSDs. These things are great and super fast. Thunderbolt 3, or no, USB 3.1 and 3.0 and 2.0 capable. 500 gigs at $149.95, 1 terabyte $299.95, and a 2 terabyte at $649.95. At 560 megabytes per second, any of these sizes will work, and to be honest, the speed is the most important thing right now. So if you're doing 4K video, this is the mobile SSD for you. I'm too short for this table, and that is wildly apparent. Next, the glyph Atom SSD, the glyph version of the same product. Pricing is almost as compatible, and 480 megabytes per second is still lightning quick. And yes, this is compatible with Thunderbolt 3. So if that's your workflow, then the glyph Atom SSD is a great buy and fits right into the family of the mobile SSDs. And I don't think I have much more room for everything else. Hopefully you guys will stay. Stay. What's next? Oh, we don't have, nope, that's not it. These are just more storage options that we have. Pro-grade digital SD cards, SanDisk Extreme Pro CFasts, Sony XQD memory cards, and the Atomos Master Caddy 4K by G Technology. And we use an Atomos Sumo, which records onto the Atomos Master Caddies, and honestly, transferring videos with those SSD drives are easy to do and are a perfect way. And starting at just $149.95, it's something to definitely look into if you're using Atomos products. Now, for video production with an exclamation point, this is what I'll take the Atomos. The Ninja 5 is coming soon. That is a 5-inch monitor meant specifically for DSLR shooters. This is the Shogun Inferno. This is the 7-inch version, so just 2 inches shorter. You just clip it onto the camera mount for your DSLR, and you got an Atomos monitor wherever you need to go. And Atomos, they're the best monitors in the business. So when the Ninja 5 comes out, we're taking pre-orders, but when it comes out, if you're a DSLR shooter, that's going to be the monitor that you're going to want for your production. Next, I'll take the Mac laptop. We have, and I don't even know how I'm going to show this, I'm too short, but Avid Media Composer Ultimate Subscription. This gives you Avid Media Composer, which if you're getting into film and TV, those high school seniors or college freshmen, this is the software that you want to learn. If you've ever watched the Oscars, every Best Picture nominee probably has been using Avid Media Composer. You also get PhraseFind, ScriptSync, and Avid Symphony for just $99 a year under the academic pricing, which is a huge savings for probably the most premier software in the business. And as you can see, it's part of our workflow. We don't have any projects put into it yet, but this is what you'll get as part of the Avid Media Composer Ultimate subscription. Take that. Grass Valley EDIUS Pro 9. This is the editing software for you journalism majors out there. If you're getting into news production, this is the day-to-day editing software that if you shoot in the morning, you need to get that out for the night show. This is the software that'll get it out as fast as possible. Regular price, $499 at $199 for the academic price. if you need it, if you're interested in journalism or any sort of news production, this is the way to go. And now for RAID storage. The Lenovo BigDoc is the, I don't want to say, come on Glyph. I don't want to say it's the best RAID out there, but it's probably the most convenient. And you've seen it on our show. We've done product spotlights on it. It's the card reader built inside and the USB port so that you can bring in media from an external hard drive, and now it's on your Lenovo and you can take this anywhere you go. It has two removable Seagate Iron Wolf hard drives. This looks like it's the 12 terabyte because that's a 6 in there. But easily integrated in just about any system that you have, and with the RAID configurability with the software built in, this is an excellent solution for just about any medium that you're studying. And look at that, it's over. All of these products and more for your back to school webinar and everything else that we have going on. And it's not just for anyone back to school. I mean, teachers, students, sure, you could benefit from the academic pricing, but if you're doing any video production and the fall's coming up, everybody wants beautiful autumn weather, the leaves falling, all of that, this is the time to take a look at what you need for your live streaming production or whatever film production that you have going on. So, in 12 minutes, Gary's going to be jealous or he's going to be really mad that I sped through it. Let's take a look at the schedule. We don't have hard dates on these just yet, but coming up, we are going to be doing a Matrox Monarch webinar on all of the Matrox Monarch products, the LCS, oh no, just the LCS it looks like. No, we're going to do it on all of them, and they're going to yell at me for getting that wrong. New Tech NDI and the best way to do IP video production. This one is going to be super important because NDI is just growing more and more. More products, not just from New Tech, but from PTZ Optics to Telestream are getting in or already have a foothold in the NDI game. So if you're interested about NDI and what you're going to need to get the most out of your NDI products, this is the webinar to tune into. And trust me, we have a lot of NDI stuff going on. You need to get some education on it if you don't really understand how it works. It's a lot of IP. You're going to have to get, if you're in a corporate media situation or any sort of office with a heavy security on their IT, you're going to need to definitely take a look at this. And BirdDog Studio with comms, decode, and the new BirdDog Mini, which we're hoping is getting off of the assembly line right now as I'm talking. We've been waiting on these for a long time, and we're really excited to get these out. So if you're interested, and this is another product that is NDI. It's perfect to follow up the NDI webinar. So you're going to want to check that out if you're going to need a converter like the BirdDog Studio. Oh, and that's the end of the slideshow. Look at that. So if you have any questions on anything that I just sped through, which I'm sure you do, give us a call, 800-323-2325, or visit us on Videoguys.com for any of your questions. I'm Eddie, and just like Gary at the end of every webinar, peace.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.